Now guys, I'm going to cut onion. Not very big required guys, the onion. So you just put only medium size. So you just cut it properly. And then plus garlic. Good afternoon guys. For today's vlog, I will show you how to fry chicken. So this is my special guys. I have some ingredients which is onion, garlic, oyster sauce, then plus bay leaves. I will not forget to put black pepper guys. Now I will show you. I have one whole chicken which is I bought yesterday. Guys, I will show you everything. So this is very nice taste and also you can serve to anyone. Guys, please watch it. Let's start it guys. So I have one chicken here. Then I have to put salt. So what I have to do guys, I have to take salt a little bit only, which is can absorb inside the chicken. So what I have to do, I have to put it like this. Then you just massage to the chicken. Put it properly. So right now guys, I'm using iodized salt. So as well inside, you just put it here like this. You just massage properly here. Guys, after you put salt, then you have to take black pepper. So you have to do the same. What I need to do guys, I have to put black pepper. I'm using now powder. Actually guys, I have not powder, but easy for me, I'm just using black pepper powder. So now I'm just put it like this. Just massage properly. After you putting black pepper, so you need to make ready also the oyster sauce. Now I'm going to put oyster sauce. So you just put it a little bit only guys. So after that, you have to massage like this properly. You need to put it all, and also you just put it here inside. So take it again. And then for right now guys, I don't have any, what is the call of that, magic syrup. So using now Ajinomoto. So for the Ajinomoto, I'm just put it properly because you know guys, I'm just keeping like this. Within 10 minutes or 15 minutes, I will take it back. Then I will put in boiling water. Now guys, I will show you the ingredients once I boil the water. So this one, I'm just keeping aside. So I'm just waiting for 10 to 15 minutes to absorb all the ingredients I put it. So guys, now I'm going to boil water. I have some ingredients, so I'm going to put onion, garlic, then I have to put also black pepper. Then guys, I'm just putting also a little bit Ajinomoto. Now guys, I'm going to cut onion. Not very big required guys, the onion. So you just put only medium size. So you just cut it properly. And then plus garlic. So for the garlic guys, because you know I'm just using only for boiling water, so I will not remove the skin. So I'm just keeping like this only. I'm not cutting also, I'm just keeping like this. Then I'm just press it like this. It's ready. Now what I have to do, I have to use this bowl so that I can estimate the water. So I need to take 3 pieces like this. Then I have to put inside the casserole. Now guys, I'm going to start boiling the water. Now I'm just start to put water inside. I'm just using this one so that I can estimate to put water inside. I think this is enough. So now I'm just putting the ingredients inside. So what I have to do, I have black pepper. So I'm just keeping like this. We just put it little bit only. Black pepper, little bit. Then plus garlic. Then plus onion. So after you putting garlic, black pepper and onion inside guys, you just make ready the soy sauce so that you can put along with them. Now I'm going to put soy sauce. And then after I putting this all guys, don't forget to put also the bay leaves. So this is very important also guys, at least you can feel the taste of chicken. So you have to use bay leaves. So what I have to do, I have to wash first the bay leaves. Then after washing the bay leaves, I just put it here inside. Now guys, it's already completed 10 minutes. So I will take the chicken. So what I have to do this one, guys, I have to put the chicken here inside. Okay, so we just put it like this. Then you have to boil this one within 20 minutes. So that is very important, guys. You have to boil 20 minutes so that it will be absorb all the ingredients inside the chicken. Now I will switch on my electric cooker. I already switched on my electric cooker, guys. Now I have to put cap on casserole. Don't forget, guys, I'm just reminding, within 20 minutes boiling water so that you can feel the taste of the chicken. What's up, guys? That is the life of OFW. So I have full job. Then during 9 hours I have to focus my job. Then after that I have to come back home, cooking something, cooking some dishes. So now, guys, I'm showing you how to cook fried chicken. So for right now, guys, it's still boiling the water, but almost 20 minutes. So I'm just open it. Alright. Then what I have to do, I'm just turning this one, the other side. So I have to make sure all ingredients will absorb in the chicken. So I'm just turning like this, guys. So I have to wait 10 minutes because it's already completed 10 minutes. 10 minutes more to complete this all. So I have to put it back the cup of casserole. Now, guys, it's evening here. I'm going to show you outside also what is there. Actually, it's already night, so we cannot see everything there inside. Now I will tour you here inside. So this is my room. Once you're working here in abroad, especially here in UAE, so you should not find expensive room because you have to budget your salary every month. You have to pay. Sometimes you have to pay transportation, then electric bill, water bill. So guys, you have to save every time your money. Now we are going outside. I will show you everything there. By the way, guys, we have also this area. So I'm just keeping only refrigerator plus my chair. Actually, I'm not using now my chair because I don't have enough space here outside. Now we are going outside, guys. I will show you everything there, but actually it's already evening, so you cannot see little bit far. Say, guys, we are buying always like this type of water, like this 1 gallon, but it's little bit expensive. Here, guys, is 6.50 dirham. Now we just open the door. So this is my area outside, guys, so you cannot see because it's already dim, and plus there outside. I have a small gate which is every time there is a lock, but actually, guys, we are not putting always lock because there is no one coming inside without any permission. Here they are very strict, guys, so everyone has to follow the rules. Now I'm just closing the door. So I supposed to show you whatever there outside, but it's already dim, it's already night, so you cannot see everything there. Now, guys, I'm just waiting for the chicken. So I'm just boiling within 5 minutes because it's already completed 5 minutes, so 15 minutes. Yeah, it's already completed 15 minutes to finish 20 minutes. I'm just complete 20 minutes to boil that water, guys, so that all ingredients will absorb to the chicken. I think it's already enough, guys, because it's already 20 minutes. So I'm going to remove the chicken now. First, I have to switch off my electric cooker. So we have to switch off here the main socket. Then I'm just open it. So, guys, now it's ready. Then after that, I have to keep separate this one, remove from the water. I need to prepare like this so that I can put the chicken here inside. Just put it properly. Take the chicken. Put it here inside. Now guys, I'm just waiting for 10 or 15 minutes to make it called the chicken. Then after that, I have to fry it. Then once you fried the chicken guys, you have to put more oil inside the casserole or fry pan. What's up mga guys? Now it's already been completed 20 minutes. Then I removed the chicken from the casserole. Now I have to dry. So now it's already dry guys, the chicken. Now I'm just waiting for the oil to will be heat. I'm just putting already oil here inside guys. Then I already switch on my electric cooker. So I'm just waiting for 3 to 5 minutes. I'm just cooking like this fried chicken guys. Then I'm just show you, I have to make sure you can send to anyone. Now guys, the oil is heat, so I have to adjust also the temperature of my electric cooker. So I need to put number 2. So I need to put number 2 guys. Then I have to put the chicken here inside. So once you put the chicken inside guys, you have to mix slowly. Alright guys, now I'm just putting here inside. Alright. Guys, once I fried chicken, I'm always keeping like this. I'm just putting the top to the casserole. So for this one guys, I have to wait 5 to 10 minutes. I have to open, I need to check. Then after that, I have to turn the chicken so that it will cook properly. Now I already put the chicken here inside, and then I'm just leave it here 5 to 10 minutes. Then after that I have to check, then I have to turn the chicken so that all ingredients guys and the chicken will cook properly. Plus you can feel the taste of the chicken. If you're working here in abroad guys, so you have to be patient like me. I have a full job. Sometimes I'm just eating egg, I'm just eating noodles. That is the easiest to cook. So, and also guys, you have to save money because you know why? Every month you have to pay housing, pay your electric bill, pay your water bill, pay the internet. If you didn't save any amount from your salary, so you will go home for nothing. So that is very important guys. Then how I have so many years experience now here in UAE. So that's why I know everything how to balance my daily routine. That is very important guys. Now I'm just waiting for this one. Then I'm so hungry because I saw already the chicken. So I think guys I'm doing well. I'm going to check now the chicken inside. I think it's already 10 minutes. See guys, as you can see, wow, it's look like nice this. Now guys, that is very important. You have to put properly the ingredients and you have to boil the water. So sometimes also we are not boiling the water, but if you have to put the inside ingredients on it. Then after that you have to fry it properly. And here guys, I'm using this one electric cooker which is adjustable the temperature. See, I'm just putting only number 2. If I will put number 20 guys, so it will be very hot. So I'm just adjusted only until temperature number 2. For right now guys, I'm just using electric cooker. That is very easy for me because you know before I was buying always the gasol or sometimes I'm just calling someone to deliver, and it is very little bit expensive guys. But here once I'm using like this electric cooker, so I can save the money, because you know I have to pay the least amount of electric here. You know, here in UAE you can save the electric bill. I don't have too much things which is for electric, so I'm just using only like this electric cooker plus refrigerator. Guys, now I'm going to check. Maybe it's already cooked. See? Wow guys, now it's already cooked. Now I'm going to take from the casserole. So what I have to do guys, first I have to switch off my electric cooker. Switch off the main switch. And then I have to take it. Now I will take it guys from the casserole. Oh my god. Then I need to transfer here. Now guys, it's already cooked. It's ready to serve. Anyone can eat. I ensure anyone will like it. Now I'm going to try guys. So like this. I'm going to try. Woohoo! It's very hot. Now guys, ready to serve. So I'm going to try this one. I'm going to taste now. I'm going to taste guys. Very nice taste. Guys, you can serve to anyone, and I ensure you everyone like the taste. Very nice guys. Now I'm very hungry. I have to eat now. Guys, I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the button below. See you for the next one. Very nice guys. Maybe I will finish now this all whole chicken.